Welcome back to Spring into Math 7. I'm Mrs. Campbell, and today we're going to be talking about expressions and the distributive equations. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start off by talking about a variable. A variable is a letter that represents an unknown number. Let's take a look. We've got 3x minus 8, and the x here is our variable. Basically what it means is we don't know what the value of x is, and we're working to solve that. Okay, so let's also talk about evaluating expressions or equations. So to evaluate an expression or an equation, basically all we have to do is plug in a given value for that variable. Let's take a look at what this might look like. We have 2 times x to the second power minus 9, or 2 times x squared minus 9. Now, if x has a value, sorry about that, my style is turned off. If x has a value of -3, then we would just simply plug that -3 in where the x's are. So we have 2 times -3 times -3, remember the x was squared, and minus 9. Now a negative times a negative, remember 2 negatives timed together is going to equal a positive. So we have 2 times -9, 9 minus 9. And then we have 2 times 9 minus 9. 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 minus 9 is 9. So we basically just plugged the -3 in there for the x and solved for x. Okay, also let's talk about how we can determine if a variable value is correct. Let's take a look at this problem here. Okay, 3x minus 11 equals 14. So the question is asking us, could x equal 5? Well, let's see. Let's plug it in and see if it works. So I've now plugged in the 5 where the x is, and now it reads 3 times 5 minus 11 equals 14. I have now substituted 5 for x. All right, I'll continue on. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring my 11 down, minus 11 equals 14. And then I solve there. Does 15 minus 11 equal 14? No, it doesn't. 15 minus 11 equals 4, not 14. So it's not possible for that x to equal 5. All right, let's do another one just for practice. This one's a little bit longer, but if you just take it step by step, it works itself out. It's actually pretty basic operations-wise. All right, so we have written here 7t squared minus 9t minus 10 equals 36. The question is, does t equal -2? So we're just going to plug in -2 for t. Here and here and here, because it tells us that t is squared. So now we have 7 times -2 times -2. Negative times negative is always going to be a positive. So that gives us 4. And let's just bring everything down. Minus 9 times -2 minus 10 equals 36. Next step, we will do 7 times 4 equals 28. Then rewrite the rest of the equation. And our next step will be, we'll bring the 28 down. Let's do, and bring our minus sign down, or subtract. 9 times -2 equals 18. Bring the rest of it down. And this time, we get 28 plus 18 minus 10 equals 36. All right, and 28 plus 18 is 46. Minus 10 equals 36. So 46 minus 10 equals 36. Yes, that's correct. 46 minus 10 is 36. 36. Both sides are equal, so t equals -2. All right, everyone, that just about does it for this lesson. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.